When grounding resistance monitoring is required, press the down key for time, then press the menu key once. Wait approximately 20 seconds for real-time grounding resistance measurement results. We can see that the grounding resistance value displayed on the LCD screen of the smart host is 381. Now we set its monitored grounding resistance threshold to 3. Then we test the grounding resistance again. At this point, the actual grounding resistance of 381 exceeds the previously set threshold of 3. After waiting for approximately 20 seconds, alarm signals will be triggered on both the smart host and the web platform. We now configure the grounding resistance monitoring threshold to 4. We then perform another grounding resistance test. The actual measured value of 381 is lower than the preset threshold of 4. After waiting approximately 20 seconds, the grounding resistance monitored on our web platform changes from an abnormal status back to normal. Next, we will conduct periodic monitoring of the grounding resistance. First, set the monitoring interval, which we configure to 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes, the smart host will automatically measure and record the grounding resistance for each time period.